If you ever use body-worn threaded connectors while you're loaded down with other gear, then you'll probably want to keep the kids away, or else they might get an unintended vocabulary lesson while you struggle with the connectors. Amphenol Pcd Stingray 7 body-worn magnetic connectors are easy to use first mate, last break connectors rated for over 5,000 mating cycles. The compact, low-profile EMI shielded metal housing withstands the wet, sandy, and chemical environments our first responders and military personnel are exposed to. Meeting DEF Stan 23012, a self-aligned magnetic non-keyed and rotatable coupling system allows quick connect and disconnect in most angles of separation. A modular mounting attachment system makes these connectors adaptable for communication, industrial, medical, military, and defense, and sports and fitness applications. With a voltage range of 8 to 36 volts, the IDC terminals are rated up to 5 amps for fast battery charging and support USB 2.0 data transmission with a 90 ohm USB data pair.